Man. So this is probably impromptu. So here's the thing. I'm going to post this link, the YouTube link. All I'm asking of everyone is to help me share it on
duly received.
All right, so that is that. So let me come on. All right, so let's see. We see. Is that my keeper that is doing like that?
As in Naimo.
Hey, that is scary.
Wait, what's that?
Right.
No, it's me. If it's typing, the typing sound. Sorry, it's me. Let me mute my mic.
Okay, very good. So to this, who can I report this? Like this needs to be reported. You're using the wrong blue team app logo. Anyways, that's not why we are here. I'll deal with that. So I'm first is first out. Let me welcome everyone. Let me thank you guys for coming out and showing up. I really appreciate. So today, what's happening? Today, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be redesigning Paga's website. Now, as you can see, this is Paga. If you put Paga versus websites like Flutterwave versus websites like Paystack, websites like Stripe, which other funky new fintech is in town that everybody seems to like? Let's even go.
Patricia.
I beg.
Patricia.
I beg.
You understand? I was even going to beg the app. You know, put Paga besides websites like who else? So
CredPal.
CredPal has a good website.
Check it now. It's really nice. I checked it recently.
Okay. This is like, oh, okay. This is interesting. I like.
I think I'm noticing it's on website.
This is like big text and all that, but man, this is not bad. Oh yeah, this is good. This is very good.
Carbon.
This is very, very good. Carbon have it.
Carbon feels typical. Yes, I don't know, but I think
Carbon feels what?
Check it.
Carbon loans.
Carbon changed their website. Wow.
They can do that.
What do you mean? Are you the one that's going to stop there?
No. You don't understand. Like carbon, the experience in carbon is just frustrating. You get. I don't know.
But I can't policy.
But I don't know. It's frustrating. Oh no. This is not old. This is not new. This is actually quite old. This is actually quite old. All right. So this is let's try OPay.
Cast. You want cast maybe that.
Sorry. Carbon experience in carbon just frustrating.
Okay.
You get. I don't know. But I guess who is watching it in the background?
What color is this? Is this remaining color?
No, this is
What color is this?
okay. So let's click on
They're
this.
rewatching the watch.
I think the last
We saw. It's cool. It's cool.
Leslie.
Yeah, I need to go check that thing for YouTube. Wait till they show.
yeah.
Leslie,
We
please.
saw.
Yeah.
We saw.
Off, please squeeze that window. Thank you.
What color?
Thank you.
Is a texture you use, right? There's a texture on top of it. Okay, click on this one.
Like Leslie, the least you can do is have it in a different window, not
And
inside.
let's put it in.
Okay. You know what? We're not going to consider them. Let's close.
Please, thank you.
All right. So who else do you have in mind? What's the name of this V bank?
Carbon interswitch.
Let's go to InterSwitch.
I don't know why you just like violence.
There's a lot of noise in the background, bro. Ellie, you are here?
There's not much difference, but this one is actually color.
Okay, I think Ellie is. Samuel Kerry is here. That's good. Miss Ene Abu is here. Hola. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, hi.
I did. All right, so let's see. This VBank. Where's? I know that once upon a time I ripped through their entire UX because the thing was not just, make sense. That's it.
I think their website is vfdbank.com.
Oh yeah, VFD. Oh, thanks.
Yes, VFD Bank. Yeah.
Nope.
That's very disrespectful. I don't like that.
What?
That thing you do.
What?
That thing you
What?
did. I don't like it.
This thing.
That thing you just did. It's not good. I don't like it. What are you trying to prove? Why are you trying to?
Nope.
I don't like that. Seriously.
I know. This is not even a standard. This is not a standard to look forward to. Let's not do that.
Please,
Valiant Bank. Is this a Nigerian brand?
It's not a Nigerian. They are happy. It's not Nigerians.
Why are you like this now?
Yeah, but I don't think it's Nigerian.
No, it's not. This looks. No, this is American.
Yeah, I mean, the name like Valerie Thompson, very American.
Valiant. Valiant is that it looks.
But anyway, I think we're getting sidetracked.
Yeah. No. We're just like going broad, then we'll converge. Yeah. All right. But go ahead. You're asking something.
No. I was just pointing.
Who wanted to say InterSwitch? InterSwitch Group. InterSwitch just, I don't know when they revamped their website, but I mean, it's not looking hideous anymore. This looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
At least this looks readable. Well, why is this happening? Oh, that's fine. Well, that's cool. This is clean, simple, not too much stress. So let's keep that there. Now let's cycle all the way back to Paga. You'll notice that what is the most noticeable thing about this Paga website?
The font.
It's like an each brand.
Orange.
I mean, yeah, it's orange. I mean, that's obvious, yeah.
Looks like a restaurant.
I guess it's too much.
The ticker at the top is a bit massive, in my opinion.
This banner, yeah.
Yes, massive. It's not all that informative, in my opinion.
They didn't use their colors very well. Just plastering orange everywhere.
And it's like the banner seems redundant. I don't know.
No, the banners are actually informative, or they are supposed to be informative, but
the banner design is
your rhyme.
Rhyme.
Like if we were to remove
looks like lollipop.
If we were to remove the banner in its entirety, presumably this is the class for the banner. So let me delete this. Let me hide this element. Oh boy, that's not it. All right, fine. Let's delete it. Ooh, okay. Carousel. So presumably this might be it then. So if we deleted the banner, yeah, this is all we have.
It looks neat.
Yeah, it's neat at this.
Kind of does look,
and it takes you straight. It takes you straight to like the relevant information. You're not
feeling there's no feeling of distraction. You're not overwhelmed. Yeah.
You get to the relevant stuff immediately. You don't have to start scrolling down anywhere.
First of all, there are too many colors going on this particular screen.
So the problem is that I think they use their colors too much.
Yes, there are too many colors. First of all, sorry. So
is it that it's too much or it's too intense?
There's no.
I go with it's too intense. I felt maybe they should have toned it down, like maybe use
like red. Or this color of orange is like red. When you use it too much, it becomes. Or when you need to use it moderately. It's just
that's what I feel.
They should use lower accents, rather. Sorry.
The orange is overused.
Like me, if I were to do something, those send money, request money, I don't think they should be orange.
Yeah, I agree.
Sure.
Yeah. They could have made the text. They could have made those texts bolder and then just stick to a more neutral color.
Exactly, that would have worked better.
Even
also the icon background.
So let me see if new. Why are you shit? Oh crap. Sorry, hold on. So I actually want to create a big jam. I don't know how that shit works. Well, I will try. New fig jam. Okay, let's see. So I'll share the fig jam with you guys, and
you don't have to understand so you are normal, right?
Okay, so who has like good experience using fig jam? Because this shit begins to look like art to me at this point.
Right.
I've never used it before, but it's like Figma is really deliberate about owning this design community.
Oh my God, they are stealing the rock from under
everyone playing
XD, Sketch, like man, nobody, no stone shall be left unturned, no table shall be left unkicked or unshaken, that sort of thing. All right, so these are like let's assume that these are like sticker notes. Let's put this here. This is like some really interesting text. So what do we want to do? We want to work on the
architect here.
Fam, I no go school complete. Now second class law I graduated. Well and correct.
You just remove the H and put T.
Put T.
Yeah.
Architecture. 9. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Heading. All right, that's good. So we'll just keep this here.
It's already finer than the Paga page.
Now, wow.
What is this? What is that now, guys?
Yay!
Okay. Let's take a look at what's currently on Paga, right? And how we want to organize it. Let me refresh. So I think for starters, that banner is not going to happen. That banner is not going to happen. It's not going to make it to the new design. But there's definitely going to be like some kind of hero area, yeah. So after hero area, there's going to be so let's look. So they have some kind of vanity metrics. These are features, right? This is I don't know what this is. This is like that kind of brand promise. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, like brand promise.
So let's say we'll say brand promise. So let's see, after the brand promise, what else? We can then put features, right?
Yeah.
Features. Now beneath features, we can have this thing that they have here, pay bills. Features, pay bills, then download this section. I'm just going to put that here so I don't forget what I'm looking at. So you have download / access. Download, access, or let's say download or sign up. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Then testimonials. So I think testimonials should come
before the sign up.
Yeah, testimonials, and then we can then maybe create a separate. This is probably optional, yeah, but we can create like a separate space for. No, need an agent. Is this necessary? Oh yes, it is.
They have a big agent,
but it should be under like features, no.
There's no feature. It's like a
product. Separate vertical on YouTube.
It's a separate service, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. So let's say the agency banking, and then after that we have contacts. So I think the way it's laid out actually looks pretty.
Is there a reason why download sign up cannot be higher up? Isn't it more of a priority than say testimonials?
Oh, okay. So I think when you're landing, I think it's safe for you. It will be safe to actually put the download button somewhere around here at the top, so you'll be able to see it. That's number one. Number two, as to whether or not download before testimonials or testimonial before download, I don't know.
I think it's a bit subjective.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking too.
I think testimonial should come before download because it testifies to when after testimonial that gives you like more of like a confirmation what to do next. Okay,
exactly.
But the reason I say so is like in a real world case, like if you say yourself for an example, how often do you go to a website, a service you're trying to engage, and you read the testimonial before you are convinced that you want to use it?
I don't remember last time I read anybody's testimonials. I don't give a shit.
Well, me, I
So
do
that's
that.
why I'm wondering, like,
I do that on
is
Play Store.
testimonial really that relevant to whether or not you sign up?
I just do mine on,
Actually, it does. I think I've seen when people actually look for testimonial to
I
know
do.
what
I
real
do.
life people say.
Yeah.
On the actual website or like reviews
I think
from
on
other
more on Play
places?
Store.
No, if it's on the website landing page, if it's not much, it's when you take me out of the landing page that you get people don't really going out of their way. If it's on the landing page 2, 3, 4, the ones that they can read immediately, people get to just browse through it.
Okay. Well, okay.
That's fine. All right, hold on. Let me get to Twitter.
Also, what do you guys think? I saw something, Leslie, at the bottom. They have that their agent's number, customer number. Is it relevant to put it on the homepage? Like move it up a bit to where people are seeing it.
Hold on, wait, hold on. Here. Oh no, oh yeah, vanity metrics.
Yeah.
So we can put the vanity metrics before. We can put the vanity metrics before. Would it make sense to put it before or after?
I mean, they kind of work together when you look at testimonial.
All right, so then all the Twitter, blah 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 blah, email, phone, media kits,
usual.
links, donate energy. This will use Transify too. Team, products, investors, logo. Oh God, why is this thing moving slow? Is there anything that one can do with their patterns? Because I don't want to stray too far from, what they have, but I mean, like X faces, it's not like what they have is particularly awesome. That's a very wrong thing to say. The thing is, it's, I don't know, or I don't think that they've had any reason or need to want to update the websites. Plus, if the bulk of your customer base aren't exactly, if their first point of contact isn't via the website, then there really is no need. There's no need for you to invest that much energy, except maybe the website is helping you to drive PR and other things.
I mean, it's always good as what they call it, for those people that it will be their first contact with your business.
Yeah.
It's good to at least have a relevant landing page.
Let's see, know the show. Wait, hold up. Okay. So let me even see the patterns. Yeah.
Okay.
I can't do anything with this subject. Maybe they're not works. Let's see the icons. Oh God, come on, man.
They did this thing in 2016, I think, or 15.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's another thing. This website was designed a long time ago. I remember because when we were designing our website, eTransact, we were using Paga as a reference, and that was one of the things I pointed out. It's really old. It's like 2018. That's when they redesigned this website.
Yeah, but the brand was designed, I think those patterns, because with the agency I used to work in 2016, we worked with them and then they just bought the patterns. They were all fancy and lovey-dovey about the patterns then. So that was like 2016, 2017.
Yeah.
So I think most of all these icons and all this stuff, so they were all done then.
What's going on? Where is Leslie? Leslie has gone.
Where did Leslie go to?
Sorry, I want to ask, this Frontify, is it free?
Frontify?
That Leslie was using before he left.
I don't know. Maybe you wait for him to come back.
I know, I don't think it's free. I tried to look at it one time, but it's Paga that is using it. I think it's like a library. You can create your library there for
Okay.
create your brand library there so that
Yeah, I just checked the website and I think you have to pay. So I was wondering, like maybe there
yeah, I
was
think you have to pay.
back door.
I think it has a trial that you can use.
Yes, it does.
Sorry, can anybody see any video?
Video?
Wesley is currently offline.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
From the land of bad network.
Like my MTN just shut down and they said it's not doing again.
Oh, wow.
Don't tire for you.
You weak me, man, or like you weak. All right, so let me share my screen.
All right.
Okay, so where are we? I was saying that we are definitely wireframing, aren't we? Right?
Yeah, I think yeah. Let's just do some.
Okay, so let's see. So let's open. Can we wireframe here? Is that possible?
Yes.
Jesus knows how that's going to work. I'll just pick this up and I'll dump it here. Ooh, okay, so you can copy and paste stuff. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That is very nice. All right. So, who here would like edit access?
Just roll first, I think.
All right, cool. Kerry.
But you went offline.
Yes, I was. And that was MTN being MTN basically. All right, so first things first. First thing we want to do is we want to put the Paga logo somewhere. Now, what I have in mind is
I don't see 5K. No, pass that one. Do give away.
Good thing worry you. Good thing worry you. You know, don't be close your eye. Don't be close your eye. All right. So
okay. Just to clarify, we're not changing the menu bar, right? It's just the rest of the page.
I don't think we're touching the menu.
Okay.
Because I suspect. Let's even take a look at it again. But I suspect that these are like these are supposed to take it to like really functional places, like send money. It's free to send money. What the fuck? What? Request money. What? We are taking it off. We're taking it off. What the fuck?
These are people who actually work in their company. Those guys, like that guy in the header page. That
this
guy
one?
No, and this one, they work in their company.
Oh, the actual, like their actual staff.
Staff, yes. This guy works in. I don't know about this guy, but there's one guy like that was holding phone. He's a developer with them. Not this third one.
I mean, it's cheaper resources that way. Instead of having to depend on actual models.
Yeah. It's a lot better than going to Monify and picking my image and putting it on your shit.
I think that guy with Dada is from Shutterstock. I think I've seen something like that before.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, so let's. All right, so we are putting the logo here, which is cool. I wanted to go back to the home page. There was some text that I saw and I liked. So we are definitely not doing this. Nah. I like this, freedom to do it your way. It feels like a very empowering type of text. So let's give it some boost. The hell? All right, we'll do this. Okay, freedom to do it your way.
Hey, what's the name of this font?
This Inter.
Oh, okay.
Freedom to do it your way. Now I think we probably need to like put some buttons somewhere. For sign up and login, right?
Yeah.
We also need like download buttons.
Do you want to have 3 buttons there?
I don't want to have 3 buttons there. I want to keep a set of buttons for social media and like let it just be on one corner, social media. Because they don't necessarily matter. Yeah. And then download
doesn't need to be up there, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think it has to be.
It doesn't need to be up there because if they're already signing in at the top, chances are they're just going to use the website anyway.
True.
You can have the download somewhere else down below.
Okay.
You can have the download after the just below the hero.
Yeah.
That's valid. So we can just put it down here and just have it down.
Yeah.
say anybody should go first. Favor, yeah, go first.
So early still on this call.
Go first and stop disturbing my life.
Is early still on this call? Who is surviving in the background? Maybe Daniel. Just a vibe for background. Jesus. Kelvin, how far now?
I'm all right, so.
Longest time.
My brother. How's it going?
Well,
how's married life?
I'll give you an answer in a year.
That one's strong, in a year.
Yeah, my brother, in a year. Let's first of all survive it.
That's hours old.
Hey God, you're already.
You can't
Ah, God.
Nah, you don't understand. See, marriage for a man is.
That level is on a different ball game entirely.
I'm telling you. Like if I thought my anxiety game was at 100, now it's been cranked to 2 million. Like God. Back then now.
Somebody will see you as you are. You cannot
you
form
understand?
again.
You cannot form again. No. If you're a papa, they will know. Yes, really, you're a papa. This is you. Your full image.
This is you as you are. There's nothing new again.
There's no more guy man again.
Oh boy, I'm afraid to marry you. I was
watching this movie on Netflix. Is it Malcolm and Marie? And when Marie was telling Malcolm that this is the best you will ever get to be, like no improvement, nothing. Like I felt it. I was like, wait. So if you say,
you go for that.
That's the definition of C finish.
Yeah, in that place, C finish is allowed.
Like this is the best you will ever be. Like, guy, I don't go outside, I don't hustle for you, I don't do everything for you. You go up your mouth, God, they say this, like, I don't agree. We'll share things like that.
You cannot impress her again. Shall see everything.
Shall see about the impression.
Go with God. That's what I can tell you.
Now we go.
I'm telling you.
Go with God.
Bro.
Okay. So there's this. So I think it's high time I employed the use of this plugin. What is it called? Oh, it's supposed to be Figma to HTML. There we go.
Please convert Figma works to HTML codes.
Actually, it does. Initially, when it first came out, it did the reverse. It converts websites HTML to Figma.
Wow.
So all I just need to use is like 1440, which is cool. Where the fuck? So it's 14. Oh Jesus Christ. 40, which is cool. Let's layers and frames. No, keep that. And then import. And then wait for whatever needs to happen.
So it's pulling the HTML from the site, or it's just pulling?
Just watch.
That's impressive.
Oh wow. That's pretty dope.
It pulls in your images as they are. It pulls in your text, not as vector, as editable text. It pulls in, like it.
Okay, I think I need to add it now. Thanks.
I'm not coming back.
Yeah. Go back to your plugin area again. Let me see something.
Out. Thank you for that. Please open the second.
Look at it. Figma to
HTML, CSS.
HTML, that's the name.
Okay.
Figma to HTML, right?
Could someone share a link to that in the chat?
Yeah,
That's
when I get look for it, let me
just check Figma community. You should be able to find it. Let me.
Yeah.
Where's their search button? I don't see
Figma. Hold on.
They don't have a search button.
Okay, I've seen it.
Figma to HTML.
Okay, yeah, it's the first thing on web under web design. The Figma to HTML.
Not this one, or this one. Figma to HTML.
Oh, okay, CSS, React, and more. Okay.
Yeah. But I think I'll come back to this one later on. All right. So I don't know whether this was hidden prior, because it's not on the main site, but it's showing up here. So I suspect they just hid it and picked it up. And then you have this image, an agent, like funny pictures.
Thanks.
At the top, we have this search, which I don't know what that is. It was supposed to be search. Username, phone number.
Who is that? Who is that?
Please help us miss this person. Though.
Yes, Temi Dayo. Okay, so wait, let me even check the Oh, okay. All right, so 3 people are watching this now. So, all right, cool. Caleb is a crazy person. What's this? All right, so I wanted to check out this. What does this mean? And then, oh, so that's what that was for. That makes no sense if I'm still going to add it here. Huh. Oh, that is really, really bad UX.
Like, there's so much text, I couldn't even stop to read anything.
It's just really, really bad UX. Anyway, so let's get to this. Now, our brand promises tested and trusted, Paga for you, Paga for me.
Simple, quick, and reliable.
Is there a better way to arrange this, or do we just follow this linear?
I think this is fine.
Are we using the same icons they use?
No, I don't think we should use the same icons.
Same icon, because I don't think I want to. So maybe this is past my web report system. Okay, so now so maybe we'll just do that thing where it's image
and text.
Image and text, image and text, image and text. But so let me just reduce this one.
Okay, like asymmetrical.
Yeah. We'll drag this here. Okay. Tested and trusted. Nope. So you have this tested and trusted, and then whatever copy we have here. Ellie.
Make the money first come.
You understand?
That kind of thing.
All
Hey,
right,
man,
so let's
doing?
put this.
What's happening?
Ellie, is that you?
Yeah.
Alpha, besides your voice, your school.
How's it going? I joined earlier, but I had to drop off because I had a meeting, so I'm just coming to hang out. What's going on?
It's cool. You met us well. We are just redesigning Paga. It's nothing fancy.
Oh, okay, that's true. You were on their poster the other day for some ad that they did.
Yes.
Like I was like, look at Leslie looking good with the POS, the face of the unbanked.
Guy, do you know how many brands have already used my image? Yeah, I think with Paga will make it like 4.
Wow, that's crazy. I hope they're giving you a bag.
Backfire.
So you're doing it over.
It's not even unfair. It's not like so that everyone will see the origin of this image. Now here they see, this is it right here. This image belongs to Money Point. You get.
You paid for this. Were you paid for this?
No, I wasn't. I'm a staff.
Oh, okay. Of course.
It was like, yeah, go stand in front of camera. Stand it. Yeah. Hope yours, or you will not get paid this night.
Loud. But if Paga, sorry, those guys are using it, is there no probability to like, I don't know, like they can do something about it, like a renovation or something?
I mean, Money Point should be able to do something because it's their intellectual property.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. IP, sure, you understand. So I can't, unless I will say, okay, come and give me some money at the back. You understand? Or you set up some kind of pipeline whereby they'll pay Money Point pays you.
Pays you, yeah. I mean, that shouldn't be hard to arrange. Or you could, you know what? I will also pose Ankara and hold POS for you as well. I mean, on bank stock photography as a service, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
All right, so we have this.
Okay.
We have this. Ah, God. What would be the best way to actually? Because I'm thinking of, I don't know.
Sorry to cut you short. Like, what are the principles we're going with for redesigning this?
Okay, when you say principles, break it down because.
Like, what's guiding the redesign? Are we going for simplicity or like what other stuff we've identified from like, or you're just doing it for fun and just as a brain exercise?
So here's the thing, yeah. Most of the things I do here are usually just brain exercises. You understand?
Okay. What would my take be if I was going to do this?
What will your take be?
I'm just saying, like, is it more of a, well, how would I have done this if I was the one that was designing Paga? Is that that kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's that. Also, so the reason why I even picked Paga was when I just looked at it, it just felt like, oh, like this site looks like it was stuck in 2013 and never really made it out of that wormhole. And so I just felt like, okay, it would be a good idea to just pick this up and like try to make something out of it as regarding guiding principles or visual or creative direction, so to speak. I haven't really figured out one, but I know it's going to be quite colorful.
Yep. I mean, the
I know it's
original
gonna be
the original seems to lean very heavily brand colors. So
yeah. But I will try to not make it as color heavy as the original, because this original is at this point they're just
do they have a brand guide that's accessible online? It'd be good to see if they have other colors besides orange.
Oh no, they don't. We just looked at it now. Where is this thing? We just looked at it now. Look at the colors.
It's interesting that no one has done this. Why doesn't someone just reach out to all the brands and ask them for their brand guides and then do a repository of everything?
That's actually not a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea. Here's now the thing. First of all, how many brands actually have brand guidelines? Number one. Number two, how many brands are open or they are willing to open
their channel, basically?
Yeah, but the reason why I ask this question is nobody has done the repository. You would have the answer if somebody had actually tried. So
exactly, yeah. It's really just reaching out to their marketing team and saying, "Hey, send me a PDF of your this."
Yeah, if they are against it, they can say so. It's fine. So
exactly, and I guess if they see more people doing it, it's like, okay, we want to now be a part of this. Like,
part of it, yeah. Because it's much easier when for what do you call it, brand managers to
it'd be good to see that. Like, okay, how do people do that? Yeah, and you could easily sell them sharing, like, hey, put it out there. It's some form of marketing for them as well, some form of brands. I don't know what the word is, but you could use cases for more established brands as well. Yeah,
I get what you're trying to say, and I actually agree with you.
Yeah,
because so take for example, there are a bunch of brands that have very low visibility or very low presence, and that's primarily because whenever, say, you want to write an article about them, you can't find anything. You can't find anything about them. You don't have access to their assets or to their colors or their proper logo usage, things like that. So those kind of things can be quite frustrating, to say the least.
Yeah. You could even if you're this is good though. Like, so do you have an idea of like where you're taking this one you're doing now? Like, what's the idea? Like, what's the rough idea? Or can everybody just contribute to what you're doing? Because I know I've seen some people do that. It's like, what do you think?
No, I think I would like for everyone to be able to contribute. What I even wanted was, after I was done, what I actually wanted to do was, after I was done with the wireframe, I'll just say, okay, everyone, open Figma and start creating your own ideas.
Oh, that's really cool. I like that. That's really cool.
So it's not just everyone. It's not just me sitting and then people just watching how I work. I also want to see people's ideas.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's really cool. That's very cool. I like that.
Okay, so we have this brand promise. We have features. What are our features?
As all the stuff on the side.
All the stuff on this side.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we can say no, not hold on, because I want to do this to it. Let me just take this. This is here. Join 17 million people who use Paga. Oh, okay. All right. So do I want to do this? I just keep it like this, and then just have it listed out like this, or
no,
not really the
former. Okay. Yeah. To your face.
Okay, then
it's
have
right
the features on there. Okay.
there. You know, have the features, rolling on that. So let me just hold on. Let me lock this layer here. Let me pick this. Put this here.
3.
So as to not detach. I'll just make this.
I mean, we can just get rid of all those icons. Yeah, there we go.
All right. So let's say we'll pick this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paste. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paste. All right. So what we can do? Wait. Oh no, that's wrong.
You can change the arrangement
So
and maybe put 3 items on 1 row.
Links are going over here. So yeah, that's actually what I want to do. So that's actually what I want to do. I'm just trying to make sure it's all set up properly and nicely. All right, so we have this and this and this and this and this and this. So we have one.
What if we have the icons on top? Then the send money follows, or like a left align kind of icon, send money, then the sub message icon.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. That could work. Do it like this.
Yeah, you have more room to breathe for the text.
Yeah, maybe I said, yeah, I'll probably list it out like this. But let's just see. All right, this is actually not bad. Plus, there's a lot more space now.
Yeah, by the time you start grading it, you see the essence.
Right, so you have this. All right, so progress. Good. All right, so we're making progress with our design. What is next?
I have our list up there. Yeah, features, pay bills.
Yeah.
Pay bills. We have our pay bills. Okay. So pay bills. This selected pillar to get started. I'm like not really. So
I'm not really a fan. I'm not really a fan of.
I don't think I'm really a fan of this.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can just have
Okay. I wanted to mention. Okay, so they besides the features on the main page, there are 2 services being offered. That's paying bills and the banking. What they call it again? The where's your list?
Hold on.
Oh, I think that thing is interactable. Once you click on any biller, it goes to another page.
Is it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, but here's not the thing. Here's another thing. Let's say you want to click on, say something like, it takes you to another page, right?
Yeah.
Will you be able to complete this payment?
Well,
without creating an
if it's not functioning, they won't put it on the page. I think it is.
It's still what they call it. It's still Paga Pay. It's not taking you to the actual dealer's website. Yeah, so that's why what I'm saying is, since they have two added services, which is the agency banking and the pay bills, why don't we just collapse the two into services instead of keeping them separate?
Yeah.
I didn't get that, please.
They are offering two services on the landing page. So there's agency banking and then there's pay your bills. So I'm saying collapse the two under services.
Okay. No. Under services. Where is services here?
No. They don't have services written here. I'm saying that we can create that.
I think they are two different function. I don't know, because this
but they are both offered by Paga. It's not like some third party.
Let's not consider the context if they are both offered. So first of all, the Paga itself, that's either what's it called? Either on their web platform or their mobile app offers this service, right? And then their agents also offer this service. So the next question will now be: do you want to collapse those two contexts into one?
One, okay.
I don't think we hide it.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Do you now get?
Yeah. I will one thing I will say here, though, I don't like the way these icons are just.
What if we try them in circles, just to meet up with the Paga logo circle thing? Just saying, though.
Me, I think my problem with it is I think it's just too much, like so many icons.
We can show
this here, right?
Maybe top. Then you. Well, I'm just saying, we now click see more.
Do you want to keep the page that they go to? So when you click on the icon, it takes you to the other page. Are we keeping that functionality? When I mean keeping it, that's the idea, because with this one now, with their current one, I don't think I knew that you could do that till later I saw it. What are we doing?
Yeah, actually, yes. It's not.
But here's not the thing. The reason, if you notice, these are billers that they figured out that are the most ordered or are the most patronized. Swift, DSTV, GoTV, NaraBet. But if I wanted to, so this is kind of like a quick start kind of scenario, right? What I'm trying to figure out is, if I don't have a Paga account, can I finish this payment? Do you get?
Probably. I think you can.
Let's assume you can. It's a question that we might need to, because most of the things you want to do is most of the things they're doing in terms of payment is it goes to validate the account number and you pay against the account number.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get some.
For instance, here with Quick Teller, I used to pay for my Intel. A lot of times I didn't really need to log in to do the payment. Sometimes I'll just do it when I'm on the road. I'm not logged in on my phone. So when I'm on the road, I just open the website. I need to pay for Intel before I get home or something. I just pay without logging in. So that's a Quick Teller anyway.
Okay. Let's see GoTV. Smart card number, yes. Service. Okay. 36 amounts. Phone number.
It's already showing your names there already. Because previous.
Yeah, that's because of the smart card number details. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, Leslie, you know your GoTV smart card number off the top of your head?
Okay. Yeah, it's good, man.
They paste it. Oh, okay.
Is it more expensive to pay from here? So if I press pay, then what then happens?
Okay, yeah, I think you don't.
Aha.
Yeah, you need an account.
You need.
Oh no. I think it's optional. Oh. It's optional. You can pay without logging in.
I think you can pay without logging in. Look at
yes. Select pay by card, for example.
Yeah, you can pay. So now.
Mike, Leslie, I was thinking of something. Can we start the logos in the proper way to the left? Then probably like a nice empty state on the right of the logo. So when you click on that icon, the form displays on the right side of the application. So you're not leaving the home page to do whatever you need to do.
Does that make any sense? Unless when we are done with wireframing, you can try that. But I don't.
Okay.
Okay, well, I have elected not to. I think I have elected not actually include them, or to not include that functionality. So if you're gonna put that, I think that might be something I mean, if you're open to that, that's not a problem. What is next? Vanity metrics. I think that yeah, there it is. Are we even going to have time to do this? To like finish the entire thing tonight, or is this something that will cascade into tomorrow? Because tomorrow is Saturday.
I think so that we can really get the thing wrong.
I don't mind scaling it into tomorrow. It's fine.
Okay.
Sorry, you don't mind staying here till tomorrow? Is that what you said?
We're not staying here. Like we continue it tomorrow. Right? Like, I don't mind.
Okay. So what we can do is this. As soon as we're done with wireframing, we can just go independently and then try our hands, and then we'll meet tomorrow, and then just have like a quick look at what we've come up with. Okay.
That makes sense.
Okay. All right.
Good. That works. So let me try this. Paste.
Just Control Command V instead of right clicking.
Brother, don't mind me. All right, customers, don't mind me, Jerry. All right, so we have that and that. So if there are like any other agents, we have agents. What other metric do you think that they would need? Maybe like transactions.
I agree with that transaction.
Well, okay. That number is going to
That's
be
the total number of
I
transactions.
don't know if transactions is necessary.
I think you can.
I just need
For them to trust you, like over 3 billion transaction.
Well,
transaction volume. I just need to just fill up that space.
or maybe you can call it daily transactions, not just total, not the entire.
Okay. That's right. So just say daily
That works.
Transaction volume 3 billion.
Wow, when you know be PayPal.
So I think Amazon, that's AWS, where they tweeted out something recently, and they said that that with what their current infrastructure as it currently stands, they process 400 million authentications and API calls per second.
I mean, this is all on AWS, so it's not even
all on AWS.
It's not really shocking, to be honest, because the number of people that use AWS.
Per second. I was like, yeah, what kind of infrastructure do you need for that?
Oh, that's they
are DevOps. You go be. Yeah, they are DevOps go be. They are DevOps go be Avengers. I swear.
As in the full
That's automate almost everything now.
Boy.
I get one guy where I work with, one of our DevOps here. The guy just put almost everything. He get plugin. He could just develop his own plugin and automate everything. By 12, as in like the guy is crazy. So it's not that it doesn't really work. He just put everything.
He just automates everything and sits and rests.
We will spend his time to automate everything, and that is all.
Amazon's engineering.
I don't know if you know him, Shegun or something like that. Oh boy,
that sounds familiar.
That guy is crazy.
Amazon's engineering team, they deserve God.
Someone commenting on Twitter that how is it that Snapchat's engineers are paid salary? Like, how do they get salary?
No, those ones. See, AWS, Spotify, their engineers, Spotify engineering. Those guys that do machine learning, those guys, they should give them money. Like, they should be giving them extra money.
See, like, I don't mind. Let me just do contract work at Spotify for like 6 months. I just want to see how they work. That's all. It's not too much. I just want to see how they work.
Without salary.
Yeah.
Even if without salary, cannot do the job again.
See, even without salary, my brother, even without salary, the thing where you go come out with yourself.
There are companies you go to that if you just seeing them work, guy, your whole mindset about your career will change. If you stay in Google for 1 week, only 1 week, like this guy, I swear to God, you will never think of working for Nigerian companies again.
That's very correct.
I'm very, very serious. Like, just watching their processes, like, just when I said, even when we take Udacity courses, as far back as when they released it, those guys that come from Google, when they are explaining simple principles to you, guy, it sounds so clear. Like, the guy, those guys, as in, I'm actually tempted to take their Google UX course again. Just that I've not had time. Not because I need it or anything, but just because it's Google.
Just to hear them explain.
Just to hear them explain certain things. Those guys know what the hell they are saying. Because
Go ahead.
Because those guys, they know what the hell they are talking about. They are God.
The way they broke down that US course into small chunks. That's why in the concept they'll tell you that even if you don't know anything about UX, if you finish that course, you'll be like a champion.
As in,
because see the way they broke it down from a lane. When I mean lane man, even the things that you don't. Do you know what 1 billion next 1 billion users are? As in something you know, but the way they name it, like, are you even serious? Is that what you guys are talking about? Even for people that are not even born.
Lee.
The next 1 billion users.
Lee.
No.
I'm thinking,
And I people they bid for Series A for Niger.
About what?
Why are you like this?
That's what they're looking for.
They're asking you a question. They're asking you a question in chat.
Really loud and metal.
Are we getting editors? Oh yes. I'll share the link again so that you can actually flesh it out some more and play with it, because the plan is what we are just doing right now is just wireframing, right? What we are doing right now is just wireframing. So as soon as I'm done, I'll give everyone the power. You can copy it and do whatever.
You cannot person mute.
Can you mute?
I don't know, like,
thank you. It's
See,
nice
person
to
where
be
they
with you.
explain something to person, they rap another rap, but it's fine. So yeah, I think that's this is it.
Oh.
What did they want for the?
I like this website already. I want to use
it. Are you just doing one? Oh, okay. I'm even thinking, what if we do something like circle, right? We have the images. So once you click on like over around the picture, it
then
will come
the text
like
comes up.
Yeah, it's just come like a message, drop down like a message.
That's an idea.
Cool.
Let's try this.
Okay.
Let's try this. This is it right here. That thing that you want to do, we'll do it.
Okay.
But the challenge now is to now execute this thing in Webflow. Oh, it's not me. It is not me.
Reduce it.
It's not me, people. Okay. So I'm going to use this as a guide.
Okay.
I'm going to use this as a guide.
They're supposed to pay money for this.
Alai, calm down. If they wanted to change, they would have changed it.
Oh, I see what you're going for. I like this. Yeah, this is nice.
So these circles will be images, going?
Yep,
Yeah.
these circles will be
like
pictures of each of the
logo.
Okay. Too much
This
sense.
is
Too much
mad.
sense.
This is mad.
Too much sense.
As they over around, you're gonna see each person.
Different.
Okay, so this thing needs to be properly spaced. I don't even think I'm spacing it properly.
I know
So
I can get the idea.
No, make one bigger. Just do it
How
like
we four cardinal points first of all. I think that's you get there.
Yeah. It's
all right, so let's do this one. 2.
Okay.
Never brought back my life. Coming.
Oh shit.
That would now be 30, 60.
4.
This one you're getting is 45. It's unbalanced.
Hey. Wait, hold on.
This your mathematics is questionable.
It has to be even.
It's even.
It's slightly even, not 100% even, but
no, but the spacing,
let's check it out.
Okay.
I think the spacing. Oh, the spacing should work.
Maybe you should take out that middle one so that you can increase one of the circles. So it's giving you more like small circle, big circle. So as you they hover around, one good day, just I don't know.
Okay, I get
It's
what you
just like the Paga logo itself.
Yeah, just like that Paga thing. So it feels more dynamic like that. Yeah. Oh, we didn't pay for this. It makes sense.
Okay.
Wow.
So that means, okay.
Let me see that.
Okay, so that means these guys will
We
not
have
need to be there then. But that basically means that we are shorting ourselves in terms of the number of testimonials that we are taking. Don't you think?
Like how many do you want to? People know they read plenty
Yeah,
like that.
I agree, actually. So we don't necessarily need to post. We don't necessarily need to put them to read as many. They don't need to.
Like, I think it's okay. So it's not as serious.
Something crazy is coming to my head actually.
Yeah.
Though you know the way the Windows stuff is. If you turn on your system, that Windows button that it goes in, then if okay, it's interaction. It has confused my head. All right, thank you very much. It's nice to see you on.
You don't say you go cast Abi. Yeah, very good. Let everybody stay calm. Thank you. All right. So now we can then start doing those small, the smaller.
The in between.
So we'll put one here. This thing, you can't do this in Webflow. You have to do it in actual JavaScript or at least WebGL. You're not going to deceive yourself into thinking you can do this in Webflow.
I will come for Webflow class. I never opened that thing before.
What is it?
Webflow.
Hello, female.
Sorry, one conducts a prayer alarm.
Okay.
Okay, so if I hold on to this, duplicate, shift, select again, shift, select, duplicate, select, shift. So just select all these ones back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Duplicate, select, and shift. Problem solved, problem staying solved. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. There we go.
Check out the right?
No, it's fine. So we'll just put this here, the person's name, and then the active state. We need to consider that as well. So maybe the active state could be that it just be
I'm thinking, what if you take out the small yellow ones?
Why?
Maybe, I don't know. It could work.
Or reduce the opacity because it looks as if it's too much in the face, in the eye.
Yeah, this is cooler. This is way, way cooler. So we can then put faces to these guys. There's a plugin for that.
Hey, are you plugin?
All right, problem solved, problem staying. So
Well, honestly, will I say you just, I don't know how you table out your full plugin list. So we can start downloading plugins.
So I think this is good. This is good. This looks good. Where's that one?
I think Leslie, how frequently do you plan on like doing stuff like this?
Oh, I do them a lot. It's just that more I kind of do them almost every week, but they are random.
Okay, yeah. What I wanted to like for each like since you stream to YouTube, like maybe in the description you can list out the plugins used for that for that particular session.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that. I can do that.
So people, if anybody wants the plugins, they know exactly what the plugin does, what they need it for, blah blah blah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Where you want that?
So the impression here is more like creating that, let me say, family thing around Paga logo. You get what they are saying. I don't know if you get the story around this direction. Look at the logo.
What you say?
I said that section is looking like, you know, that Paga logo thing, you know, and more like people around the ecosystem. What's okay.
Okay, so we have all of this. I think what's left now is the download section.
That download section.
Yeah.
I love what this guy did on their site. Shazam.
Who?
Shazam. Yeah. Shazam app.
Shazam.
I like the implementation. Hopefully, multi-updated. I like what they do.
This is very charged and some lyrics.
Yeah.
Hey, try it.
Oh, this is
forgot some concept.
Yeah, this is nice.
I like what they do that section.
Just identify blah 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 blah. Use your phone camera to scan and
download. It's more like creating that interaction between the web and the phone. More like once you come to the page, there's this thing. It's not that you're just reading that and going away. Oh.
Well, to be fair to Shazam, or well, to be fair to Paga rather, in this case, is Shazam. You only really interact with Shazam through the app, nothing else.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no alternative. Like it's just the app.
Okay.
But Paga, you can interact with them via their website. So
what do you suggest? That this download style?
No, we can still use this. Like, I think what Paga have on their website, maybe it's just the text we may change, like what they call it, the way the text looks. But I think what they have is fine. The whole laptop, mobile phone thing.
Yeah.
I mean, what I'm trying to refer to is this download section, not even the images now.
Okay.
Yeah, that's identify blah blah. So you can also download. Let me do a screenshot.
Sort of like money point and less. Sort of like money point and less. Yeah.
I think I stole it like an artist on their page. Let me just do a screenshot.
Let's go. We have an actual. Hey, just. Now start looking for money. You know what? I'll just take this like this. Yeah, I'll just take this like this and I'll just dump it here.
Okay.
However you guys choose to style it, yeah, it's up to you. Remember, you're not supposed to use this image. In fact, I highly recommend, I highly recommend that you do something creative. You can use like a different setup or a different composition, something that looks a lot more interesting. So this copy Paga day for you. Paga day for no.
I don't even think that text is necessary.
Paga is
the one under
you...
the Paga is wherever you. Yeah, I think you're just having the download links and having
yeah, because but funny enough, most guys do have that, and I'm like, what's the essence?
Yeah,
like they should read it first before they.
Because the download buttons are there, so like,
and it's clear.
But if we are to look at using how do I put this down? Experience-wise, not everybody are literate enough to understand the fact that those are links. I'm just saying.
That is true. But the thing now is you have unless you are just using a mobile phone for the first time and you've used this for say like 2-3
generally
months,
speaking, you will kind of
have encountered these two buttons at some point.
Imagine when a booking guy coming to this website. What would be the subtext that is telling him, oh, this is where to download, blah, 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 blah. So those are the things that we tend to, consider when we're doing.
I really, if somebody engages, okay, let me put it this way. If somebody engages frequently and like they have a smartphone, they didn't just start using a smartphone today.
Imagine that a bookie guy. If you are sounding like you're talking to a designer.
That's because I'm also looking at
okay. Let me put it this way. I'm thinking about that Aboki guy. The question you have to ask is the first place the Aboki guy going to encounter the service via their website? Is it going
Definitely
to be
not.
that?
It's not going to be that. Actually,
if he's
going to be bad
services, if he's going to be engaging services via their website for the first time, then he would be an avid user of the web and would actually know to click those buttons. If not, typically, this would not be the first way he engages the service. It would be through word of mouth or stuff like that.
Immediately they start to turn up.
Who is turning up?
This is start to feel the sound.
Thank you very much.
Come on, man. Don't be. Oh, it's fine.
The friend didn't ever start well.
All right, so we have a down. What do you mean?
Friday night. Can't blame me, man.
No. Man, agency banking and contact.
Agency banking and contact. Ah, Jesus, man. I feel. This is work.
This is work.
Okay, so got questions, feedback? No, agency banking. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna pick this woman because she's been asking to know.
That's not one.
I'm gonna pick this woman.
That's first one. Very low.
That's the
Let's even check out how this thing looks like. Oh, I actually like this new loading screen before. This new loading screen before they show you the actual design. I think this is probably like my favorite part of this entire design.
Yeah, it is really nice. But it's arguable that this part is probably the most fleshed out of all the others, of all the sections.
True.
Yeah, colors, images, everything there. So.
Okay, so let me hide this. Come back here. Paga is wherever you are. I think that this Paga is wherever you are is supposed to be this. This text is supposed to be something else.
I mean, okay.
With you.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
Oh shit. Okay, so presumably
Oh shit.
okay, it's not bad. So here, what we can then do is we can just add like two buttons. Want to locate an agent, and then the other would be to become an agent. Right? So I think after this, we can then say, okay, we are done. We can then wrap this all up and say, an interesting way to actually do this shit now. 1, 2. All right, so I'll probably take these, slap it here. My social media icons that I left at the top, I think they will have some use down here.
Yeah, probably.
All right, so that eliminates call, Twitter. So these 3 have basically been eliminated. So I think we'll just add WhatsApp here. We so desire. All right, so we need the address. So these ones will actually work well. Let's see, contacts. 1, 2, 3. Bold, medium. Okay. So maybe I can just always put this here. All right, let's pick this, lock this guy down here, and then just cascade. Let's stretch it out. So this is here, email number is here. All right, then the rest I think I can just take like this and then just man cannot be bothered right now. I'm burnt. One, two, three, 4. Paste. Then splash. So I just drop it to 14. That's fine. So this, let's copy. Stretch it out. Okay. All right, that is I think that's it. So I think what can be done is that we still have to figure out the mobile of this. I think that one is we still have to figure out the mobile design for this, but I think that's not really our prime issue right now.
Yeah.
So we have this. So what is going to happen is let me share this link to you guys. You can take it off the chat. So just go, give it your own spin, take a look at it, try and flesh it out, give it some nice, rubber dub. Then we'll meet again tomorrow by 5. Is 5 good?
Evening. Yes, sure. Evening.
Yeah,
is
5
good.
is great.
Very good.
Good. All right. So 5 works. Let us David, you want to say something?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
I have a number of questions.
Yeah.
The first one being, I noticed no grid is being displayed on the artboard. Is that deliberate?
Yeah.
Like you don't work with grids.
Okay, so first of all, the reason why I don't apply, I'm not using grid right now because I'm currently wireframing.
Okay.
I typically I prefer to apply using grids when I'm working on high fidelity design.
Okay.
Yeah, better.
we're working on high fidelity designs tomorrow. So yeah, that's that about that. Then what else?
Okay, that's like the major one. So that means when you start working on high fidelity, that's when we start making components, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I didn't get that.
Things like components, styles. Those are the things that we'll start considering.
Okay. Lastly, are we getting the file?
If you check the chat, I already dropped the file.
Yes, I know. I mean edit access.
Oh, you can just copy it. You can just copy it.
Okay, even without edit access, I can copy.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you.
You are highly welcome. Very, very welcome.
Oh God! All right.
Who's that guy?
Don't mind this boy, Jerry.
My name is Humble Emmanuel. Emmanuel is my name.
Yeah, no mind Emmanuel. Emmanuel did do yeah.
Kai. Now wow. I sound like Indian.
Giver.
It's not basically Indian like that. If you try to look at it very well, it's not Indian.
Are you shaking your head? Are you shaking your head in a very Indian fashion? Eh?
No, my head is not shaking. It's just my hands that are shaking, basically.
What part of India are you from, Emmanuel? What part of India are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. Where are you from?
I'm from New Delhi. Did you see the thing they said on the news the other day?
Okay.
But what basically?
They were talking about how India wants to take over the world, and we are releasing boats on our.
No, it's not possible. They can just take over like that. Here we are about to go on a wall with Pakistan.
Okay,
The Pakistani
guys.
people are like bringing something that we don't know about, but we are not going to.
Let's talk in the DM and let's leave Leslie alone. You know.
Yeah. Very. I will hook you up in your DM. Very much.
What the fuck is this?
Nah.
Thank you guys so very much. Thank you guys so very much. You guys made this stream really fun. I think this is one of my more fun streams. We'll be meeting here tomorrow by 5. I think I have a class tomorrow. I have an early class tomorrow, but I'll try and finish early so I can rest. So we'll meet here by 5, and hopefully to be a fuller stream, and we'll be able to flesh out some more of this design. Okay.
No problem.
All right. So take care. To receive the file, if you need the file, or if you haven't gotten it, once I close the stream, you can just DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will send you the file, and you can start working on it between tonight and tomorrow. Okay, take care, stay safe, and see you all tomorrow. Peace.
Yes, boss.
Peace out.